Hi, amazing humans. Welcome back to the channel, or if you are new here, hello, I am Lucky, but you can call me Alicent. Today, we're diving into something super cool that will turn your I wish I could build an app dreams into I just build an app reality. Let's talk about Microsoft Power Effects. What is Power Effects? Let's break it down. PowerFX is a friendly local programming language that powers the Microsoft Power Platform. Think Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, and more. Imagine Excel formulas but subcharged to build applications, automate workflows, and chunk data without needing a computer science degrees. That sounds great. Yeah. So what exactly is Power Effects? Before we deep dive into it, we will look at Microsoft documentation when it comes to Power Effects. That will be our reference point in this tutorial or in this introduction to Power Effects. And it says Power Effects is the local language that is used across Microsoft. Power Effects is a general purpose strong, tight, and declarative functional programming language. Yet, just heard me right. That was a short definition from Microsoft when it comes to Power Effects. If that definition doesn't make small sense, don't worry, I got you covered. Okay, so we go further. Let's look at some very core and cool reasons why Power FS can be great. Firstly, like I said before, it's like Excel formulas used in cells, but this time used for building applications. Now, here is a question. Have you ever built a spreadsheet formula? Then you are halfway to mastering Power FX. Power FX formula like syntax such as if, sum, count, etc. But instead of cells, you control app logic, buttons, or data flows. Secondly, Power FX is a low code but with high flexibility. What if you could build anything without writing pages of code? Yeah, so Power FX bridge the gap between no code simplicity and pro code. Create dynamic applications, validate forms, or automate approvals with tiny formulas. That is the beauty of Power FX when it comes to Power Platform ecosystem. So, thirdly, you can talk to your data and anything, everything you can imagine. Do you need to connect to SharePoint, Dataverse, SQL, or perhaps even TikTok? Power FX is there for you in achieving these ideas. You can use the formula to fetch, filter, or update data across 1000 plus connectors in Power Platform ecosystem. Fourthly, is that one language to rule them all. While learn five tools when Power Effects works everywhere in Power Platform ecosystem. Use the same language in Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Pages, or Copilot agents. I think when it comes to the family of Power Platforms, it's only in Power BI that Power FX is not heavily used. Well, leave your comment on this. In summary, I would say consistency equal to less headache, and that is my coin word for Power FX. Why should you care about Power FX? First, we look at speed. You can build in hours, not weeks, not months, not in a year. Yes, you heard me right. With Power Effects in an hour, you can build an amazing application. Secondly, accessibility. Perfect for business users, citizen developers, and pro code developers. Thirdly, we can look at scalability. Start small, then add complexity as needed. So, guys, that's all about this short introduction to Power Effects. So, what are you waiting for? Ready to unleash your inner app builder? Power Effects is there for you. Stay tuned, turn your ideas into solutions faster than you can say. Dive in, experiment, and watch your spreadsheet evolve into apps that wow your team members. So, in our next session, we will take some examples of Power Effects solutions. Stay tuned, like, and subscribe to this channel where we talk everything about pro code, low code, agentic AI, and business solutions. So, from me, I say bye and thanks.